I heard about Mondragon many years ago because in my neighborhood there's a small bakery that works as a cooperative, and it was inspired by Arizmendi. And recently I wanted to do some studies in my own university related to cooperativism. And so I went to look at Mondragon and saw the university here in the master's program here. And one of my colleagues said, if you want to learn about cooperativism, going to Mondragon is like going to learn about Catholicism from the Pope. It's the origin, the place, the expertise. Mondragon has all of that, and so you're really learning from the source. Being here on the stay really deepens all the knowledge that I've gotten during the program to date. As one of the other participants has said a few times, you can understand a place using a map, but it's not the same thing unless you walk the paths themselves. And I think that's really true. To be here, to experience not only the Basque kind of culture and country that is where all of this came out of, but to get to see the cooperatives is much different than just reading them. I'm about halfway through the master's program, and some of the things that I've really appreciated so far about the format of the program is the applied nature of what we're learning. So we're learning a lot of sort of theory, a lot of knowledge, history about how cooperatives have operated here. But every time we have to do an assignment, that assignment is about how we can apply that to our own context. And that, to me, really makes the information come alive in a way that I think other kinds of learning styles don't do in the same way. You know, sometimes the being online can be really challenging, but the advantage that this program has, with being online, is that we have people from all over the world. In my cohort, I'm from the United States. There's somebody from London. There are two Ecuadorians, one who lives in Scotland. There's somebody from Kenya, and there's two Spaniards. So when we get to talk to each other and we do projects together, we get a diversity of perspectives from cooperatives, some people who are not in cooperatives, that I don't think you can get if we were all just in one place. So I really appreciate that piece of it as well.